Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about something related to finance. In earlier video I told you that I will create a separate video on how to take home loans. Like what are the main checkpoints that you always want to see before applying for a home loan, because there are some time where people actually give 70 to 80% of their salaries cut into EMIs of home loan, and it is not good for your future. If you even know the F of finance, then you know that it is not a pretty good decision while you are working in a company, and if you are currently in a job, and if you are investing 60 to 70% of your salaries amount in the home loan, then it is not good for your future. Buying home feels like success, but for most of the people the home loan becomes the biggest financial trap of their whole life. Most of the people decide the loan based on that how much amount is the bank giving to me, like the maximum amount the bank can give to me. But this is the wrong question. The right question is that you will have to understand that how much EMI I can handle, my life can handle. Because you will have to understand, nowadays banks are being very clever. They check your eligibility, but you will have to check your survivability. So for that I really wanted to share a story of my sir, my senior sir, and he was with me when I was in my previous company, and in earlier videos I also discussed about him, but today I also wanted to share with you guys. So what happened with my sir, actually he took a home loan of 25 lakhs and for 20 years, and last month he lost his job. Now what is the reason? The company is saying that we are not able to continue with you, your salary is really high, and we don't think that you are capable of work at this age. The company is just making excuses to get him fired, and finally they fire him. And he has two children to feed, he has two children to grow, they are actually going to school. Now he do not have a job, and it is only 5 years since he took that home loan. Now 15 years are left, and now he is a jobless person. Now think about it, that how a middle class person will able to survive in this situation. Artificial intelligence is growing like a sea storm, and every day we are watching new inventions that the AI replaces 1,000 employees, this AI replaces 100 employees, and this is a very tough situation for us, the middle class people, who is totally dependent on a job, who is totally dependent on a private company. So listen to me very carefully. It is not important that how much your salary is and how much you are earning in a month. The important thing is that you should not exceed your EMI by 30 to 35% of your monthly salary. Just for an example, if your salary is 1 lakh rupee per month, then the safe EMI is 30 to 35,000. And if your salary is 50,000 rupees month, then the safe side is 15 to 20,000 rupees. Because you also have to manage rent like EMIs and your bills, your food, your insurance, your emergencies, your lifestyle, and your travel. You will have to see a lot of things more. Now let's talk about the minimum down payment, like what is the ideal amount of down payment that you should pay at the time you are buying a home. Most people think that we will pay as low as we can, but here you are wrong. We will have to understand that if our home will cost around 1 crore rupees, then we will have to pay 20 to 30 lakh rupees in the down payment, because it will reduce your EMI burden, it will reduce your interest cost, and increase your financial freedom. Because it is very important to increase your financial freedom, because if you will get stuck for your next 20 to 25 years in a home, then how you are gonna take a risk for your life when you will be in your 50s and someone will ask you that what you have done in your life, what you have done when you were young, and the one thing you will have to say that I only bought this house. This is important, so listen. Before taking loan, ask, can I pay this EMI if income drops 20%? Can I survive job loss for 6 months? And can I handle medical emergency if I will have to face a medical emergency in future? Then can I right now able to handle that emergency? So if the answer is yes and comfortable, then you are good to go for a home loan. And if the answer is uncomfortable, then loan size is too big for you. And I have one more friend of mine, and his salary is 35,000 rupees per month, and his EMI cost 22,000 rupees per month. And now he is not able to switch his job, because he is actually thinking that what will happen if I'll have to took a break and I'll have to stay at my home for 2-3 months, then I will not able to pay my EMI. And this is what I'm saying, that while you are taking a home loan, you will have to see that if I will have to keep my job site for 2 to 3 months, am I able to do that? Because right now my friend cannot able to afford a break of 2 to 3 months from his job to learn new skills, and if he want to look for another job just because of EMI of home loan. And he is 27 right now, and there are 15 years more he will have to pay EMI for his home. So this is what I'm saying, that before buying a home on home loan you will have to think a lot of things, because you only got one life. And you, if you will invest your prime age in these things, then I don't think that you will only regret when you will be in your 50s. I'm not here to scare you, and a home is not a dangerous thing, but an unplanned home is a dangerous thing. Just plan for these four things: that EMI safety, down payment strength, and emergency cushion, and income uncertainty. And if you are feeling like that, yes, we have yes from every side, then yes, you are good to go for a home. Because you will have to understand that affordability is not about approval, it is about sustainability. So hey guys, this is day 33 of us speaking English, and today I am posting my video a little bit late, and the reason is actually I was watching Breaking Bad season 5 and finale I was watching, and I was so indulged in the series that I was not able to create video in daytime. But now I have finished it, and I think that Walter White deserves a good ending. I'm really happy with the Pink Man, because he was the only person with the clean and purest heart, and even Walter White was not good. I think he always puts his own interests in place of his friends. But Jesse Pinkman was a pure soul. I mean, I really loved the character arc of Jesse Pinkman. But I'm not happy for Skylar, for Walter White, for Junior. I mean, they did not deserve an ending like this, because apart from money, respect is something that people actually crave for. And for the rest of the life, for the family of Walter, I mean, they will not earn respect. But it is not a movie review channel, I was going with the flow, and it was a really great series. Breaking Bad is one of the best series of all time. So yes, please hit a subscribe if you like my video, and so yes, please hit a like if you liked the video, and please subscribe to our channel if you really wanted to join our community, and we will meet tomorrow.